All right, guys. Opex Friday. Every single option in the market is 0 DTE. And when we look at SPY, it's like basically if we have high volume, you're going to get something crazy. This is low volume. And what is this? You get down to mean reversion. Spent all this time at the blue, never breaking higher. Looks very similar almost to what we had yesterday, right? Because sit at the blue, sit at the blue, sit at the blue, nuke. Higher volume here, so it's a little bit different, but just something to think about. The longer you stay at blue line, more likely nuke. Anyway, that's a low volume, perfect mean reversion, right? That's what we expect. We go to 419, high volume. You know, we open up here, and by 10:30, you're at 125%. And when we're at 125%, we expect to go beyond 3 strikes. You get this move beyond 3. Nice little bounce. Very similar to yesterday. And then it nukes lower, right? Ends up closing 495, which is, 4 down, 4.29. Trend day, bounce, nuke. Kind of like, wait, look for 620. See, bounce. You would expect this nuke to continue. It didn't, and we end up closing at that third strike. Looking at 315. What is volume telling us, people? It's telling us garbage, right? Under 100%. Nothing serious, but this is another example where, hey, you could have taken bulls down here below the blue, basically at 1300, and it's a decent return. You're probably getting out here or here because I'm getting real scared. Low volume window, right? 10:30 right here to 11. High volume, you expect this to keep flying, right? Low volume, we don't get the volume spike here, so we don't go up. What do we have here? 94%. What do? We go down. Oh, this is a nice move down. Almost 3 strikes, right? This is third red line. Able to catch this if you wanted for 115%. Not a ton of drawdown. And it's another example. We get to the window, which is a rough thing, like 10:30, 11, and we're pushing, but volume really is not going anywhere, right? You're at 100%. We didn't have tradability back then. It would put you in normal mode, but anytime, right? So basically at the blue, 502 strike, anytime it is not making that push after you've already gone up like 3 strikes, you gotta be nervous. Gotta be nervous. I mean, this was a really, really hard session to trade because you would expect these to go lower. They don't. This is a nice trade. And then again, failing to get to this 503 because it's like you get to 503, you're going to push to 504. Doesn't happen. Bear right at the blue. I mean, that's a nice winner. And this is an actual sell-off until the end. 100, 110%. It's hard to trade, but it's really a matter of perfect tags, bulls below, bears above. Who knows what kind of move we will get today? And then we're looking here, the 19th. What is this? This is a trend day, all day rippy. So, right, the most bullish setup imaginable opening, and it's just sitting at the blue. You see at the window, all right, 10:30 to 11, we are above the blue, and volume, is high. It's over 100%. You want to stay bullish here. There's not a perfect tag for a bull bomb right there. Let's see if we get one on Qs. Yeah, you get a perfect one here on the Q. 429%. Buying and holding until the end. What does this thing go up? 6 strikes. And then that's it. So, wow, this one, a little bit different. That's why I prefer looking at SPY. I think you can trade either. But when we see this high volume, bullish open, getting back above the blue during the window, and it just flies up 4, 4, 5. So, low volume today, probably mean reversion. High volume, just follow strategy. These are all awesome trades. I would just say, hey, if we get another time like this, and we're in the window, and we're above, man, you can buy 3 strikes higher there. Or if we're below, buy 3 strikes lower. You shouldn't do that with like a massive position, but if high volume, we expect to go there. Stay smart, stay safe, always lose small, sometimes win big. The stock market is rigged. We'll see what happens today. Volume, good. No volume, bad. Could also look to trade AMD or NVIDIA at the open. They'll probably be insane.